Terry's just done a perfect landing with the Corsair and it's taxiing back to him. He's just having a good day. It's behaving itself again, perfect landing and a taxi. And a
taxi without tipping over, it's had the threat. Mate, I show up that bloody other one in the box every bloody second day.
A bit of elevator. Oh, look at that. Absolute perfect takeoff.
I'll go right in the box.
That's right, when you're ready. You just save the undercarriage, that's all.
Needs a little bit of right.
Clear to take off. Clear!
You happy to do that yourself or you want someone to do it?
I would like to get it up a bit. See, that's hands off.
Bit of up.
Yeah, no, that was
Where are we going, gentlemen? Anti-clockwise. I thought that.
That's where I lose it.
That's right, I never fly that far out for that reason. No, I didn't, mate. Do it again.
Excellent, okay. I'll do it lower this time.
Yeah, do it lower and upside down. I want to see your talent.
That's with half throttle. That's not too bad, is it?
That's alright.
No, it's flying fine.
Yeah. It's got no throttle there. It's going well already.
It's going well, yeah.
Yeah. Well, we've got it right up.
If you're not happy, just say so.
No, I'm happy.
It'll come in quick from up there though with that wind, Gary.
Yeah. Landing.
Clear. All clear.
I want to get it down. She's going to come down very quick from that height.
You've got a long way to come yet, though.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the idea. Now, which strip should I land on your reckon?
yeah,
In front of you, yeah,
I'd pick the main strip, but I don't know that. I think you might be too quick this time.
I might go round.
Going round.
Go round. And just come in. Can't actually see it when it levels out.
Yeah, that's why that do a long approach.
Still got a lot of height.
Still got a lot of height, yeah. Still too fast.
You're over the ultimate strip as well.
Once more. Go around again. I'm just coming in too high.
Yeah, you climb. You're gaining height on that second last turn.
It'll get a little bit of elevator in it.
That's,
there we go again. Probably going into the wind too.
that's better. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's looking good, Gads. You're over the grass again. So this way towards you.
Yeah, perfect. Put it down.
Very nice. Well, you've got to feel good about that.
Yeah, I'm happy.